Hey YouTubers, this is John. Just wanted to give you a shot of our little wind turbine there on a windy day. I guess another windy day. Same setup. Hadn't really changed anything out there, although I did try. Anyway, that's a long story. Just kind of show you what we're pushing here right now. Looks like we're around the 27 volt range, pushing 30 amps. It was over 30 amps just a minute ago. And a little outback thing here. There you go. 0.2. Not bad. But it's still hooked up to the same battery system that I had before. And I got my little outback there. Anyway, just wanted to give you all a quick little shot of what's going on today. I wished I would have had everything set up. I think it was about 2 weeks ago. We had a heck of a windstorm come through. We ended up having about 62 miles an hour wind speed, and I wasn't able to get out here. I was actually out of town, but anyway, just figured I'd show you this and see what's going on. Quick update. Nothing really changed down there. I just put in my selector switch for the outback. So now I've got the outback whenever it's charging is coming in on this one here. And the wind turbine, the solar panels aren't much of anything. They're only about 45 watts, and that's on a good time. Anyway, adding on, just figured I'd let you see what we got. Other than that, same old setup. Working on the improvement to the system, so we'll see what happens. Like I said, I did try to modify that turbine, but it was unsuccessful, so I'm not even going to show you that. That's a whole other subject. So, long story short, hopefully everybody has a good Thanksgiving, and looks like we're going to get some wind.